Hi, Zach here from Revolution Automotive, and a lot of people have been asking me how do you remove the R35 GT-R AC van, right? This trim, and the thing is, it's pretty simple. So when it's in the car, in the dashboard, this tab right here is what locks it in place, right? Let me put it closer. So, see this tab. All you got to do is push down this tab and there is four of it. Once you push all four, you can just slide out. So it slides on the outer part, right? Slides out. That's it. If you can't really get to all this tab, certain parts such as the driver's side, yeah, it's really tough there. What I did was I managed to push two and got the bottom out. And this part, well, these are just very flimsy aluminum, so you can technically just, you know, pull it out slowly and pry it all the way until the end. You want to be careful, you don't want to break it, so just do it gently, and yeah, you can get it out. That's how I did as well for both of this. And so to remove this trim, it's pretty simple. As you can see, there's four locking tabs, right? All you got to do is just pry one out, pry the other one out. Once you get two out, you just hold it one side and then just pry the both sides and it pops out. Simple as that. Now for the inner part here, now this is tricky. So see these tabs, there is four of it, and if you look closely, so yeah, look at it. Hold on, let me get a closer look. See this tab? See this line right there? That's what holds it in place. And you swivel it, you can see it's moving, right? So I tried to pry two while prying the other four. It's just not possible. It's really it's really stiff. But what I realized that this thing is so stiff that I could just pry it at angle and let it rest, that it's not blocking the tap anymore. So that's why I could just, like, easily move in and out of it. And yeah, that's the best part of it. So if you want to have it lock again, just push it out all the way. Make sure you push it all this and let it rest, that is, flat. That way when, once it's perpendicular right here, then it could easily lock it back in place. And yeah, that's it. That's how you remove it. As for this part, so if let's say you want to remove this trim, there's two bevel here, right? One here, there's none here, but I did remove it earlier. You just push it and then you just pop one side and then it slides out the other side. And make sure you remove this part as well, because this thing is connected. So if you look closely, you can see the rod right here. This thing is connected with the inside one. So okay, so how I did earlier was I actually removed these two first. Remove these two first, and then there's a lot of play a little bit, so you can just put it down so it's not at the hole, and then just slide this out, and yeah, that's it. That's how you remove and disassemble the whole GTR AC van. Main reason why I remove it is because I'm gonna put a boost gauge in. I know the original stock GTR boost gauge, they have it, but I want something that I can monitor, I can control, I can view the peak, I can record and review back as well. So yeah, that's really important because we boost RAM till high RPM and at certain gears, so we want to make sure we can monitor that. So yeah, simple as that. Hope you guys found this video useful, and do share around. Cheers.